Hi guys, so it's time to take a look in the January Mani and Lola box. So let's see what is inside. We have an OPI, China glaze, artistic colour, a nail file, a Butter London, a Cuccio product, and on the bottom we have a hand repair. So we have a Mani and Lola sponge file. It is a 100-180 grit and it's one of these boomerang type ones. Feels quite soft as well, so it's one of these that can be used just for buffing and gentle filing. Over here we had it's an anti-aging hand mask. It is a 20-minute application. And there's some instructions on the back. It just says it is by Skin Republic up the top there. Then we have this Cuccio product. I'm going to guess it's a cuticle balm, possibly. So this is milk and honey. It's a hydrating butter blend for hands, feet and body. I was going to have a sniff, but I think it's got one of these seals on it. So have a look. Yep, it's got one of the seals on it, so I won't open that just yet. That is a decent sized product as well. Does it say how big it is? It is 42 grams on the side there. So polish wise there is 4, so there's 3 colours and then 1 which is a treatment. So this is the OPI Nail Envy and they recently started releasing them in slight beige nude tones. So they still do the strength that you're looking for, but it has a little touch of colour to it. So this one is Salmon Sand. The China Glaze polish is a blue with some nice sheen coming through on it there, a little bit kind of metallic but not quite. This one's called New Year Nubu. Nice trying that one out, a nice wintry shade. We also have a Butter London polish. I've never had one of these before. I like that it tells you how to open the lid because a lot of people will twist the bottle thinking that this is the actual bottle cap, but inside there's a smaller one. This is called Flusher Blusher. That's an interesting name for it. The last coloured polish we've got, I've never had one of these either. It is Artistic Colour Revolution. This shade is called Shred It Up and it is a purple tone as you can see there. So that is the items that came in this month's Mani and Lola box. That was January. I will do a live swatch video so you can see these colours applied to the nail. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.